Reporting in Sage Sole Trader helps you stay on top of your business finances by giving you access to key financial reports and insights. To get started, select Reports from the navigation menu. The reports available depend on your subscription. If you're using the free tier, you'll have access to the trial balance and income tax summary reports. If you're using the paid tier, you'll also have access to the profit and loss, balance sheet, and nominal activity reports. The profit and loss report shows your income, expenses, and overall profit for a selected period, helping you understand how your business is performing. The balance sheet report provides a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity at a chosen date. The trial balance report summarizes your account balances across debit and credit accounts, while the nominal activity report provides a detailed breakdown of transactions posted to your nominal ledger accounts. You can also use the income tax summary report to help complete the self-employment section of your self-assessment tax return. Across all reports, you can customize report settings by adjusting filters, balances, and other options to display the information that's most useful to you. If there's a report layout you use regularly, you can save your customized view for quick access in the future. When you're ready to share or keep a copy of your report, simply export it as a PDF, Excel, or CSV file. Regularly reviewing your reports helps you monitor your business performance, stay organized, and make informed financial decisions with confidence.